welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make a very special raita. Now raitas are always welcome because they add some extra oomph to your everyday routine lunch or dinner, and guys, they are very easy to make. So why wait, and let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by making Mooli Ka Raita. And guys, if you do like my recipes, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon so you are first to know whenever I upload a new recipe, and it's free of course, so why wait? And now let's proceed. So guys, for this recipe you're going to need half cup of mooli, which is also called as radish, 1 cup of curd, which is also called as yogurt or dahi, half teaspoon of cilantro, which is fresh dhania, 1 teaspoon of chopped green chilies, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper powder, which is kali miri, a pinch of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted jeera powder, a pinch of mustard, which is rye, some salt and oil, and that is about it. So now let's begin our process. So now guys, let's take the grated mooli. Take as much as you can fit in your hand, and we're going to squeeze it really hard. We're going to remove all the liquid from this mooli. Guys, put all your muscle into it, and then we are going to remove it in another bowl. And guys, we are simply going to repeat the same process with the rest of the grated mooli. And let's keep it aside and let's start working on our tempering. Now guys, in a kadai, I'm going to add just a little bit of oil, say about half teaspoon or less. And once it's a little hot, I'm going to add the mustard seeds, which is rye. And once they start to sizzle, I'm going to add the Kashmiri red chili powder and the mooli, which is radish, and stir that in. And let's cook it for just about a minute, and then turn off the flame and transfer it into a bowl. And now guys, let's wait for it to come down to room temperature. So guys, the radish or mooli is now at room temperature. So now let's add the black pepper and the roasted jeera powder and the green chilies, little bit of dhania and the curd. And now let's mix everything in. And guys, I totally forgot about the salt, so let's just add that as well, because without salt nothing is going to taste that great, right? So let's mix it in, and our raita is ready. So now let's remove it in a bowl. Now I simply garnished it with some jeera powder, Kashmiri red chili powder and fresh dhania. And isn't this looking really amazing? And I absolutely cannot resist it anymore, so I am digging in. Amazing texture, amazing taste, the right amount of spices. Do make it, do let me know what you think about it. And guys, if you do like my recipes, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Do it right here, right now. And if you like my recipes, you're definitely going to like this one as well as this one. So do click on these links, and I will see you very soon. Bye, take care, bye.